everyone. Hope you guys are doing well. I just wanted to hop on here really quick and discuss with you guys some new information coming your way now for the second 9 weeks. So just kind of going back to the first 9 weeks, as far as homework and classwork went, I was able to turn these assignments into interactive assignments for you all, where I included the text boxes and students, all they had to do was type in their answers. Now for the second 9 weeks, I will be allowing you 2 different options, and that's going to be to either print the assignment, have the student complete it handwritten, because I do understand many of you still like to work on handwriting and their fine motor skills, which is very important and essential for these students, so that's completely understandable. Or you can continue working on them as an interactive assignment. However, now if you choose to work on them interactively, I will no longer be the one completing the task where I'm adding the text boxes. You will be the one to complete all that. You will be the one to add your text boxes. If you need to circle something, you will be the one to add the circles. If you need to match, you will be the ones to add the lines, and so forth. Do not worry, I will be sending a second video with the steps to take when it comes to including text boxes, circles, matching, scribbling, drawing, coloring, all those steps, whatever the case may be for the assignment, you will have those included in the video. So I just wanted to go ahead and relate that to you. Be on the lookout for that second video. I hope you guys have a great day, and if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to email me. Thank you.